Joining us now is Mark Sebastian of Option Fit Mentoring with our trader rundown, and we had some interesting market action in that the market's really starting to pay attention to those earnings numbers coming in. We saw a big drag in the market actually yesterday.
Yeah, Walmart was a bit of a drag on earnings, kind of held everything in check. But really, I'm watching earnings. We have a big earnings today. John Deere, it's a Trump trade, it's a China trade.
It is.
It'll be really interesting to see what their outlook is on kind of the tariff negotiations, because I think they're involved in that process. The other piece markets are really paying attention to are interest rates. We had the sell-off earlier in the week on a big move in interest rates.
Right, what do you think about that Treasury? Above 3% and actually was sticking there.
Mm-hmm. Well, the level isn't as important as the speed with which we move.
Okay.
So if we have a slow and steady rise in interest rates, I think markets are going to be able to ignore it, quickly adjust. If we get a really fast move, that is where you start to see real problems with the overall market. That could spell trouble. Now, I don't think that's
as in a sell signal.
Yes, that could be a real problem for equities. Yeah. I mean, much of the talk in February is about some of these weird structural things that happen, but really what started that whole sell-off process was interest rates moving higher, and that continues quickly, and that continues to be a risk here. As long as interest rates move higher slowly, I'm really not worried about equity markets, and I continue to think that kind of the turbulence that we saw in the first quarter and part of the second quarter is working its way out.
Well, thank you so much for your Trader Talk.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.